So meron na ako napili. Lahat kayo mga kabugera, di ba? Etong napili kong to, nakita ko siya kung gaano siya ka-graceful sumayaw. And this is my choice. Kung aapila kayo, wala na kayong choice. Diyan ba? Okay. Siya yung napili ko. Tita. Congratulations, Tita. You're one of the best line dancer. You win. Go Esther! Mamaya ka mag-chita. Congratulations, Tita. This is courtesy of... Ay, may parigalo pa. Meron pa naman, Tita. Ano sabi mo sa akin unang pagkita mo? Igurot ako. Sabi mo, di ba? O, paano sayaw mo nga? Isa lang. Okay na, Tita. Magilipit na tayo. Anong pangalan niyo po? Esther. Okay, thank you so much. Igorot from Baguio. Baka kayo pinag-bleeding ka dyan. Okay. So now, let's proceed to the announcement of the winners. May I call on a representative for one of the auditors? May I call on Anna Miku? But before that, can I request all the candidates or performers for tonight? Each group, umuwi na yung iba. Walang premyo, walang umuwi ah. Finish or not finish. Even the representative. Okay, please, the representatives. Kung kompleto pa kayo, tumayo kayo. Kung hindi na po kayo kompleto.
Tayo.
Let's go for a group picture. Let's go.
Hindi na siya nakadamit.
Miss Anna Miku. But before that, once again, I would like to acknowledge each and every one of you for being part of this 3-in-1 event. Remember, life is short. You need to enjoy it every day. Be grateful and thankful. And of course, save for the future.
Doon.
Okay.
Doon.
Once again, all the candidates. Okay, so we have, where is the bisdak? There we go. The pink black. The Z-Star Cleopatra.
Rika.
Z-Star J-Lo. Z-Star Dancing Queen. Dynamic Movers. And of course, the Jazz Dance. Okay. Currently, an average score. Remember that Dragon Bugle jump?